Riyadh Air, Saudi Arabia's new national carrier, has unveiled its luxurious Boeing 787 Dreamliner cabin interiors ahead of its anticipated launch in late 2025. Designed by the renowned firm PriestmanGoode, cabins emphasize comfort, technology, and longevity, aligning with the airline's ambition to become a global premium carrier, business elite. Configuration: 1-to-1 layout, with only 4 exclusive suites per aircraft. Privacy: 52-inch high walls and sliding doors for maximum seclusion. Comfort: 78-inch lie-flat beds. Entertainment: 32-inch 4K OLED screens, the largest in any business class. Audio: Devialet's Euphony system with embedded headrest speakers. Lighting: integrated suite lighting for ambiance. Riyadh Air Business Class. Configuration: 1-to-1 layout using Safran Unity seats. Privacy: 52-inch high privacy walls. Comfort: fully flatbed layout. Entertainment: 20. Connecting travel premium economy configuration, 232 layout with 39 seats. Seating: Recaro PL3530 seats with a 38-inch pitch and 19.2-inch width. Features: adjustable leather headrests, privacy headwings, expandable side tables, and calf rests. Entertainment: 15.6-inch 4K OLED screens. Configuration: 333 layout with 223 seats. Seating: Recaro or 3 seats with a 31-inch pitch and 17.2-inch width. Features 6 way adjustable headrests and 2 USB-C chargers per seat. Entertainment: 13.4-inch 4K OLED screens. Technology and connectivity: Wi-Fi. Free high-speed Wi-Fi for all passengers enrolled in Riyadh Air's loyalty program. Future developments: while the initial Boeing 787 fleet does not include a first-class section, Riyadh Air is evaluating the introduction of first-class cabins on future wide-body aircraft like the Airbus A350 or Boeing 777X.